These $300 headphones might be better than your $3,000 setup? Aune AR5000 review. Ever drop serious cash on audio gear, only to end up more frustrated than impressed? You sit there, jaw clenched, trying to pretend that tinny treble and weak bass are audiophile-neutral while your ears secretly scream betrayal. Maybe your current setup sounds fine, but it just doesn't move you. You keep tweaking EQs and swapping cables, chasing that mythical perfect sound. Meanwhile, your neck hurts, the headphones clamp like a bear trap, and your motivation to even listen starts fading. That spark you had for music? Dimming. You deserve better, something that works with you, not against you. But let's get real, half the high-end headphones out there feel like overpriced scams wrapped in buzzwords. Your wallet's empty, your brain's fried, and your deadlines are creeping in like audio gremlins whispering, "Should have gone wireless, bro." The wrong headphones aren't just annoying, they bleed productivity. Your mix? Muddy. Your work focus? Shot. Your vibe? Gone. You're left stressed, burned out, and too distracted to feel that musical flow state ever again. You can't afford to keep trusting gear that flakes under pressure. You're not wrong to expect more. You just haven't met these headphones yet. Enter the Aune AR5000 20th Anniversary Edition, aka the Champagne Gold Slayer of overpriced, overhyped cans. These bad boys pack a 50mm MLD dynamic driver that actually delivers ultra-clear highs, rich mids, and bass deep enough to summon Poseidon. Open back? Check. Vertical soundstage so real it makes closed backs weep? Absolutely. And the comfort? Let's just say your ears will forget what pain even is. With a DAC-equipped USB-C cable and a balanced 4.4mm option in the box, this set doesn't play, it performs. You want clarity, emotion, detail? The AR5000's got layers, baby. Layers. Imagine slapping these on and suddenly hearing instruments you didn't know existed in your favorite song. That violin in the background? Now front row center. That low-end rumble? Like butter. And they don't just sound good, they look like high-end art. We're talking CNC-machined elegance in subtle champagne gold. Compatible with everything from your phone to your desktop DAC. No extra gear needed, no excuses accepted. Want to rediscover music? Want your mix to slap? Tap the link. Explore the specs. Your ears will thank you. Time's ticking, this limited anniversary edition won't be around forever. Thousands of reviewers are already calling these the best bang for your buck headphones of the year. Are you gonna let them steal the spotlight? Don't wait. Snag the Aune AR5000 now and experience music like never before. No hype, just real audio nirvana. Ditch the drama. Embrace the detail. Click that button and hear what you've been missing. Your ears deserve the royal treatment, treat 'em right.